meanwhile, described the push for Hindi as a virus, reigniting the long-standing language debate in the state. The controversy, which has also escalated over the issue of priority given on Hindi nameplates, triggering fresh political reactions. The DMK, meanwhile, has reiterated its opposition to any move perceived as enforcing Hindi in the states, and these remarks have once again brought the language politics in the forefront in Tamil Nadu, with the issue sparking sharp political exchanges and renewed debate. Well, Dharni, that seems to be as far as anything in Hindi is now been viewed as Hindi push. Last time Kanimodi had raised the issue of railway signages, which she had regarded as another imposition of Hindi.
Well, in fact, this time also Kanimoli is again speaking about the railway signages. She says that after the Park Town railway station in Chennai, now there is another railway station in which there seems to be imposition of Hindi. She says that in Sivakasi, in the railway signage board over there in the station, Hindi words are getting prominence over English and Tamil words, and there is nothing but Hindi imposition is what Kanimoli is telling, and she's in fact going on to compare the imposition of Hindi to a virus. She says that the Hindi imposition attempts are spreading like virus across the state, and it is happening in different forms, both directly and indirectly. But the DMK will keep resisting all kinds of imposition. The DMK will never allow any kind of linguistic imposition to happen over the people of Tamil Nadu, is what Kanimoli says at this point. So definitely, just a few days back, we saw Kanimoli talking about a railway signage board in Chennai from the Parktown railway station. But meanwhile, now she has put out another image of a railway station board from Sivakasi district in Tamil Nadu, and she says that in that board too, the Hindi words have gotten prominence.
Yes.
They've
While
gotten
all three languages, Tamil, English and Hindi, remain on the boards, the DMK leader has now flagged the change in font placement as deliberate Hindi push, and this development follows a similar controversy that happened in Kalakuruchi, further fueling the linguistic debate in a state which has the elections approaching. So row over the nameplate priority seems to be what the DMK leader now seems to be focusing on, intensifying political row in Tamil Nadu over what they claim to be imposition of the Hindi language. The DMK MP Kanimodi Karunanidhi raising fresh charge against the central government after new signboards that were installed, and the matter that she had taken up before as well, where she had said that we will not stop opposing as long as they stop imposing Hindi. So that is that signboard on your screens that we are looking at closely. Shiv Kashi, as he says, and right in the middle, as it is mentioned in Hindi, but there are other languages as well on the same signboard. DMK leader chooses rather to see only Hindi and talk about Hindi being imposed on the people of Tamil Nadu. Dharni, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. We'll get you more back after a short break with the latest headlines.